How to fix no sound on Android camera while recording video. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open settings on your device. Click on apps and notifications in here. In apps and notifications, simply click on camera. If you don't find it here, you can search and see all apps. Now click on permissions, which is the second option. Then go to microphone at the bottom and then make sure it's allow only while using the app. After it's done, go back and then click on storage and cache, which is the third option. Clear cache in here. After you've done that, and if it still does not fix your problem, go to settings main page and scroll down to system. Click on system, which will open these options. At the bottom, click on system updates. In system updates, if there is any update available, update your software. Sometimes not updating your phone may cause some issue, and this is how to fix no sound on Android device while recording video. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.